Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to fix a mail app on iPhone. So, if your mail app stopped working, you need to go to settings and you need to go to the mail. Then you're gonna go to accounts, and whatever of these accounts you have, you're gonna enter the one iCloud or Gmail or Yahoo, whatever you set up. You're gonna enter them and you're gonna click on delete. And when you do that, you're gonna go to add account and then add that same account, whatever it was, here. So then you should just go to the home and reset it and everything would be cool. But if that doesn't work, you can go on storage, and when you go on storage, you're gonna go on, just wait to load and then try to find it. I'm gonna find the mail. For me it was all the way down, and go on offload the app, then reinstall the app and everything will be working. Subscribe for more useful tips.